Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we talk about difference between look and see. Let's continue with me. Okay. Main difference look with see. Look and see are two verbs. Look and see are two verbs that refer to our sense of sight. In other words, they refer to the different ways of using our eyes. However, the usage of these two verbs are very specific and they cannot be used interchangeable. The main difference between look and see is that look is an international action, whereas see is not an international action. Okay. This difference will be further discussed in this article. Look, meaning and usage. Okay. Look means to direct one's gaze in a special direction when we look at something. We make a special effort to see something. So, looking can be defined as a deliberate action. Okay, look is much similar to the verb watch. But watching involves more effort. Looking involves concentrating your eyes on something. It's not an automatic action. This verb is generally used for things that don't move. Okay. Look is a regular verb. Look is a regular verb that can be used with both transitively and intransively. Observe that examples below to understand the meaning and usage of this verb better. Look is a irregular verb that can be used with both transitively and intransively. Okay, we have some examples. She looked up as he entered the room. Look at this photo. Can you recognize your parents? They like to look at the night sky. They looked at each other and smiled, neither spoke. He looked around furtively to see if someone was looking at him. Furtively to see if someone was looking at him. And then we have see, meaning and usage. See means to perceive with eyes. This verb refers to the action of noting something with our eyes. Seeing something does not mean that we are internationally directing. When you see something, an image simply comes into our eyes. We start to see things as soon as we open our eyes. Seeing might not be international or deliberate, as see refers to the action of using our eyes, and internationally and automatically, seeing is associated with things we can't avoid. See is past tense of this verb is saw. The past tense of this verb is saw. Okay. And the past participle is seen. See cannot be used much in progressive tenses. See cannot be used much in progressive tenses. Look at the sentences below to understand the meaning of this verb better. Okay. Look at the sentences below to understand the meaning of this verb better. Okay, we have some examples. I suddenly saw him running out of the house. I can see a boat in the distance. She was last seen wearing a light green blouse and black pants. I saw him yesterday but didn't have time to stop and talk. I opened the door and saw his dog lying on the bed. Okay, it's all about difference between look and see. Difference between look and see definition. Look can be defined as directing one's gaze in a special direction, but see can be defined as perceiving with eyes. Effort. Look involves an international effort, but see might not involve an international effort. Type of verb. Look is a regular verb, but see is an irregular verb. Automatic action. Look is not an automatic action, but see is an automatic action. Progressive tenses. Look can be used in progressive tenses, but see is not used in progressive tenses. It's all about difference between look and see. Definition. Effort, type of verb, automatic action. Okay, automatic action, progressive tenses. Difference between look and see. Main difference look with see. We have look meaning and usage and some examples, and then we have see meaning and usage and some examples, and then we have difference between look and see. Definition, effort, type of verb, automatic action, progressive tenses. I hope this lesson will be helpful for you guys. Thank you.